Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This video is only for the guidance of students who are preparing for Issb. As you know, there are 9 different obstacles in Issb Center. The purpose of these obstacles in Issb is to test the physical ability of the candidate. Now I am going to show you a demo video of each obstacle. I hope you will learn a lot from this video. Gentlemen, you will be given 2 minutes for 9 obstacles. Now the first obstacle that I am going to show you is called monkey bridge. In this the candidate goes up from one side through the ladder and descends from the other side through the rope. It may be hard to see, but if you are not afraid of heights, you can do it easily. Let's watch the demo video. Now, the second obstacle that you will see is called rollover. This is one of the toughest obstacle in ISB, but once you practice or your muscles are strong, you will be able to do it easily. Let's watch the demo video. Now we will talk about the third obstacle, and that is called a hanging tire. This is an easy obstacle that you can do without practice. So let's watch the demo video of this obstacle. Our next obstacle is zigzag. It's not difficult like a rollover. By practicing twice, you can do it easily. So let's watch the video. Our next obstacle is boxing ring. You can easily pass this by practicing it twice as well, but it can be difficult for those who are overweight or cannot do big jumps. The obstacle ahead is called a hanging bridge. By practicing this too, you can pass easily. Along with it, there is a ditch which is about 7 feet long. Even if you practice, it's not difficult. You need to balance yourself in this task. And next that you are going to see is called high jump, which is similarly to the boxing ring, where there is a rope and here there is a pipe. That's the difference between two obstacles. And gentlemen, the final obstacle is called Tarzan swing. About 90% of the students find this difficult and the rollover as well. But if you have a strong grip and self confidence, you can learn it in a short time. Okay, gentlemen, this is all about today's video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If anyone of you wants to improve himself with our individual obstacles, he can contact us. I am providing you my WhatsApp number. I pray that Allah will make you successful. Those people are successful in life who do their work with pure intention. That's it for today. Jazakallah.